All right, today we're gonna bring in a rack. If you guys can see it, setting it up. It's gonna be standing up in here. We're gonna put it on here in this storage. We're gonna use it for arts and craft. Pretty much that's what we're gonna do. So let's put it together and see how hard it is to put together. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, so here we have the whole everything that we need to, including the screws. And if you guys can see it, they give you all the screws that you necessarily need it. So they give you a pile of screws. There are gonna be Phillips, all right, and there is no they don't give you a screwdriver or anything like that, so you're gonna have to provide your own. Of course the wheels are in here, so prior to starting it, make sure you set it up that everything's included, because there's a lot of little hooks that they give you, a lot of poles, and if you guys can see, all these little hooks are embedded together. Take a look at your list first, make sure that you have everything that is available with it, and then start building it. So let's go ahead and put it together, and let's do a time lapse. All right, so here it is, guys. It's completed. It's about 5 feet. All right. They give you an option. If you don't want the wheels, they have these leg stumps, and they have the actual drywall mounts too that you could screw in here against the wall if you don't want it to move. But if you guys can see, I'm going to roll it out a little bit further back. Side angle. It took me about 30 or 40 minutes to complete. These hooks, you could take them off easily. You don't have to put them in here, but this is great for arts and craft. Great for setup, anything you want to set up. Couple of pounds. I wouldn't weight too much because it might fall forward unless you have something heavy duty in the bottom holding it. Make sure that all the weight's in the bottom, because it is, if you guys can see, these come off. So you got to hit them a little bit lower with maybe a rubber mallet or something, but it's pretty tall. The hooks, like I said, you don't have to have them here. This is, you can put some towels, tape. If it's an arts and crafts, you can put maybe your glue gun, your heat gun. Pretty much set up a lot of things on the top of it too. You have 1, 2, 3, and then 4, the main basket, of course. It's not that hard. All the screws were not number or named, to be honest with you. It was all, they're all the same. They even give you extra ones. So don't worry. Just open them all up, put them up together, and start with this first. This is important. This is kind of like a nylon thing, so you can, it's stretchable. There's a little bungee in here. Wheels. Make sure that the wheels go in the back. The lock is in the back. That's how the instructions have them. The independent ones go in the front, and like I said, back ones. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.